I see that smile in those beautiful brown eyes, girl. I hear your voice, it whispers in the dark. Yeah, you make it right, yeah, girl. Everything in my life, you changed my story, yeah. You've taken me so far. I'd cross the ocean for you. Dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you. I'd give you everything that you need. You give me just one chance. Baby, take my hand. My heart's in motion for you. I'd cross the ocean for you. Yeah, I heard him say that all good things fade away. I'm fighting here to make sure that's not true. No, and I know it's hard and we've lost in many ways, but I ain't giving up. Our love will never lose. I'd cross the ocean for you. I'd dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you. Give it everything that you need. Oh, and give me just one chance. And baby, take my hand. Heart's in motion for you. And cross the ocean for you. No matter what we go through, always gonna be me and you, baby. We ain't gonna let go. You'll always be the one I choose. No matter what we go through, always gonna be me and you, baby. We ain't gonna let go, always be the one I choose. Across the ocean for you, I dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you. I give you everything that you need. Give me just one chance. Baby, take my hand. My heart's in motion for you. I'd cross the ocean for you. In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor. Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide. No, I'll do right, we got all night. I'll take you so high.
final look. This is just a very simple, casual, natural hairstyle. I have clip-ins in my hair and I just did not want to make the braids too tight, so I made the braids loose. You can make yours neat and tight. It's all up to you. It's all your choice. I think it's a very simple, easy, natural hairstyle if you have long natural hair. If you have short hair, you can add extensions. If you have medium length hair, you can still do this hairstyle. But if you have long hair, this is like a very basic, simple, natural hairstyle you can do on your hair. Your hair does not even have to be natural. Even if you're relaxed, you are prelaxed, you are texturized. I don't know what are the words, but however your hair is, you can achieve this style. Even with wigs, you can definitely achieve this style as well. I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.